YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the LCD digitizer replacement for the Apple iPhone 8. This is for the smaller iPhone 8, not the Plus. And this is the black color. So let's go ahead and unbox this, see what we got inside this box. So you got the peanut styrofoam. And then this is the display right here. Alright, so you got the camera, the clear camera holder for the front facing. Got the rubber gaskets. And then you got the double-sided tape right here. So yeah, you need to transfer your aluminum back panel, your earpiece and everything, your proximity sensor, your fingerprint scanner. Okay. So yeah, before you I don't know, is that a scratch or what? It looks like a scratch or crack. Maybe just a sticker. Let me peel it out real quick. Oh, okay. I thought it was a crack or scratch. It's just a film got dirty or something. Yeah, you want to inspect it once you got this, and you don't want to remove the sticker first. And you're gonna open up your iPhone 8, and then you're gonna test this out, your LCD, and then your digitizer, before you peel all this off, or else you're gonna just wasting your time. And make sure there's no dead pixel or anything, or defective on the display. Because normally the seller doesn't want you to peel this off and then return it. They're gonna think you are switching a display from somewhere else and return back to them. So yeah, this is my quick unboxing for this, and I'll be doing like a tutorial on how to install this. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.